Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. Ono Caan get na me ed no more. That was a message that he sent. And this basically, he's speaking about Tina Chin. And I don't know what transpired between both of them, but it's a showdown. And he's saying that basically because he's not out here promoting hate, then he was turned on. So guys, you have to go ahead and go catch the video, see what he has to say about Tina Chin and whoever else is bothering him, allegedly. And remember to go like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that beautiful notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday! And I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my family, my followers, my subscribers, whatever else you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah, go catch the video, guys, and see what he has to say here.
Share the damn link. Share the link pan on the page. Share the link and say, hello, fans. I'm going to watch Opal Fina over here, sir. I'm going to watch Opal Fina over there, sir. Why on not draft on the phone? I flip on the screen, sir. For what content? On a move. On a too toasty. On a too toasty. I'm hungry for views. My views, I'm sure as fuck now. I'm sure my views was mad in a lot of you. I'm gonna tell you this. Enough of Tina Chin mad pussy. Draft my water. But I draft my water because I'm thirsty. Draft my water because I'm thirsty. You know what I realize? You know what I realize? A lot of you women on social media who's hell-bent against Dana. As soon as I draw for content where people speaking bad about her, whether that was Tina Chin, or whether that was Lorraine or Marcy Campbell, all I want on the fly come over there, all of you is a fly come here. No, me stop now. Now I've stopped now. Now me stop now. One of the you scattered like flies and come talking about, oh, I used to pull hundreds. I used to pull hundreds. Yes, I used to pull hundreds. I used to pull hundreds of people who made no sense. I used to pull hundreds of people who are haters, who are hateful human beings. Tell me if I'm telling lies, people. Tell me if I'm wrong. I used to pull a lot of people who love to hate people they don't know from a can of paint. They have no good reason, not one good reason. Them can outline to me and say, Donna did this to them, or Donna did that to them, or Donna did that to them, or no could not do none of the above to me, not one of the above. But because I was pulling for content now, because I was pulling from content, that mean no say, mostly would have like, oh, all of a sudden I lost my views. Take them. My views are mad, you know. Take them and go on. Oh, no, you people, you don't realize. Oh, no, a damn fool. Oh, no, idiot. You're fools. Oh, no, you don't realize what's happening here. These people, they had to have found a new home. And where was this new home? Pamfuna Pit. That is why they are building. Oh, no. They are building your pages. And the minute you want to step back, and the minute you say, I'm done now, they're going to leave you two and go find one next home on a damn idiot. Someone want to find God on the top, but they don't know God. You don't know God. You don't know God because God is of love and God is of compassion. God is of empathy and not what one is out here preaching on social media every God Almighty, every day, every last day. Every day on court can preach the same fuckery. And that people is Dana this, Dana that. Move! One is doing too much. One is doing too much and I don't care. Let me lose my views. Let them take them and go and take them and go. Blog about this too. Blog about this too. Because clearly, what I said about Opus, it touched some of your coins. It was meant to. Principles matters. It does matter. For the mere fact, say the woman dead, right? Yes, the church broadcasted it. That did not mean you or anyone else was authorized to go and take up that. Not even take it up after it was over. Not even take it up after it was over. Broadcasting it at the exact same time. Because you are hungry for views. And I don't care, it's the truth. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I'm speaking the truth, Lisa. Lisa, I'm not upset. These people, they can't get me. They can't get me upset. You know what I've realized now. You don't know what I've realized. One had the audacity to say. I can read the screenshot. One, I used to watch him, but ever since he dissed Tina, I deleted him. Delete me, girl. Delete me, because all of you know is hatred. Hatred. You don't know better. And bear in mind, I've never in my existence dissed Tina Chin. Tina Chin dissed me first. I'm a come on and I defended myself. I defended the things she said about me myself. Right? So what on there? I'm a wood, me a stick, me not have feelings. So if Tina Chin is on her live stream saying things about me that was not pleasing to me, I was meant to put up and shut up, right? A liar tell. Lies. None of you, none of you, and anyone of you touching my toes in a manner that's not pleasing to me, I'm coming to come telling about it yourself. I'm coming to come tell you about yourselves. How dare Ono? Oh, I always pull up hundreds of people. And now I can barely put 20. Darling, I can pull these. I can pull these. Trust me. It's because I, on a north on a can't get in my head no more. On a cannot get in my head no more. You can't get in my head no more. And that I'm mad, no. You know what I realized? Don't get me wrong. A lot of Tina Chin followers used to be over here. Some of Marcy Campbell too. Some of Lorraine too. But since they realize they can't, I don't know why. I don't know why I'm dropping names. But let's be real. Most sides realized they could not control me, right? So what them do? Them pull back them fans. I know they turned people against me. Oh, and they was hell bent on bringing me down. I'm down now. I am down now. Congratulations. What is the big issue? What is the problem here? What's the problem? Hello? Can anyone hear me? What is the problem here? On a win, take on the followers and go on. Take them and go. You don't realize these people are building you up to break you down if you step out of line. Oh, I hear that. This one shares you, that one shares you. Why are they sharing you? Because they're helping you to build people to hate people. That's why they're sharing you. And do you hear the names who shares you? People who love to hate people and hate them for no damn good reason. Not realizing life is way too short for this shit. Way too short. What I'm doing now? How I saw? Did I say something wrong yesterday? Wrong yesterday about this whole Opal thing? Why should we as human beings use dead people for content? Why? Why not just post the link on your page and say, hello bunnies, hello dog, hello puss, hello rat, hello cat, hello dog, hello drunk, or hello whatever. See the link here and go watch it. What did I say it was wrong? What exactly did I say that was wrong? You know, the problem with a lot of you people, on a feast, I don't have sense. On a feast, I don't have a moral compass. On a feast, I don't have a good oppressor. But I do. Far greater than 3/4. Oh no. I love to hate people too much. I don't care. And bear in mind, let me tell you all of you this. All of you who used to watch me, what goes up can come down, and what goes down can also go up. But this time, the what I want to hear me good, the what I want to. All of you who was here before, who was cheering me on when all of you thought I was over here bringing down people. When I realize, you don't realize. The race is not for the swift, but those who can endure it. And I plan on enduring this. I plan to endure. Me, I'm a brown teeth them. Me, I'm a lean up ass. Anything I don't want to call me. Any damn thing. I plan to endure this shit. I am not giving up. You know why? Because trust me, I will attract the right people to me. I will attract the right group of people to me. People who knows to show love. People who knows to show compassion. People who knows to empathize with other people. People who are not people who's hell-bent on bringing down people they don't know. You see, we black people, all of you who speaking negative about me, we are our own downfall. We are our own enemies. And this, not for not understand what is happening here. They're using you to bring down people. What is wrong with you people? What did I say that was so wrong? I said nothing wrong. You see, if only some of you would have just listened to the conversation and listen attentively, you would have understood what I was saying. You would have got it. But no, because you're not so thirsty for content, because you're so thirsty for content. Oh, he's coming at us in a manner that's not too pleasing. No, those days of my life was done. You talk about I pulled Mixup. Yes, the other day I was battling. And yes, there was 2 Mixup or 3 Mixup that passed. And it was very sweet. It sweeted me. It sweeted me. It did sweet me. I loved it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna come out here and pretend like I'm the Holy Grail or I'm renewed overnight. No, it is a process. It is called a process for a reason. It is called a process for a reason. Hello, Ononose, the midget, has always been my arch nemesis. The midget has spoken so ill of my mother, the woman who gave birth to me so many times, right? And my alleged father, he loves to put up. When I heard it was happening, it sweeted me. So yes, I ran out with it. I did do that. And I'll do it all over again too. I'll do it all over again too. And hear me well, if at any other point in the near future, if people come out on him and I like it, I'm gonna come out with it too. I'm gonna come out with it too, because you know what? He's put my family through a lot of shit. Even my siblings who are not social media people, he's put through shit. Put out their names among other things. So why should I not rejoice? Relax. Where has my water gone? Listen, you people are not realizing. People, please like and share my live stream. You're not realizing. Back then, when I was pulling all of those great numbers, 400, 500, 1,000, was people who, most of them would love to hate people. I'm not saying no other way. They love to hate people. And one of their most known figure to love hate was Donegal. So they flood to my page, come chat them out of them big stinking mouth. Yes, they did that. And I don't care. Another one, Majesty. They'll come chat to them big stinking beaks too. The people that they love to come talk shit about on my page was Tina Chin, Donna, Majesty, and Lorraine. So I pulled for them. I pulled for their content. It was only content for me. And I'm glad you know, madam, that you know I love Donna. And on the talking about I'm obsessed. I wouldn't go that far. I would say I am appreciative. I would say that much. And being appreciative of people is not a bad thing. One of it try it to, one of it try it to, and cut out this nasty, hateful behavior all of you are used to portraying on social media for the last 5 years. Try something new. None of you is gonna calm me down. None of you is gonna calm me down. None of you is gonna calm me down. Listen, I am a master of blogging. I'm telling you, if I want views, I pull the right content. I'll pull for the right content. But no, let me stay on my train. Let me stay on my train I'm on now. Let me stay on my train. And also, let me stay my 20 people. Well, me, even tax, I can barely pull 20 people. Watch ya. My name in trending drama for no reason. Wait till I chain up my page name. When I gotta see. Especially you're gonna see. Wait till I change up my page name to trending drama. I'm gonna log into my laptop and see if I can change it back. You see, all Uno know is to hate people and love hate Pandana and not realizing Donna is living. Let me just be blunt. Most of you who's out here forming a school or a clique or whatever against this woman. That woman is far gone. Una can't reach her again. It better just come on for the woman back. Come on for the woman back. Oh, I'm telling you, so go live on a life. Go and live on a life. How long Una have left on this earth? How long do I have left on this earth? How long do you have left on this earth to live? You don't know. But you don't tell me fucking that cause blood clot problem. I want to come bring down people like say. Una was a part of this woman's success. Move! And people like me should have chat. People like the Planks who gave her their money, among other people, should be chatting. Not Una turn a big stinking mode. I'm a chat and done. I was so. Why didn't you think I was pulling for the shit all along? Because I knew we could have chat. Because I was one of our good donors. Someone could have chat to. And yes, I might have come out here and said some things out of character. I did. I won't front. I did do those things. Am I proud? No. But can I take it back? No. I can't take it back. But what I can do now is move on in a manner that's going to be pleasing to myself, my character, my everything. And if you try to. And I promise you, yes, you may lose people. Yes, you may lose people who are hell-bent on hating people. Let them go find another lodge to go and lodge with them nasty mentality. It's that simple. Oh, I'm telling you, sir. What I'm telling you, sir. Then I get at the backside. Turn on the fan here. I'm a views. I don't know. My views was mad in you people. That's why that's why a lot of you sprung up overnight. You sprung up overnight because you only want to water down my page. You wanted to water down my page. I see if you wanna know. Take them and blood clot guan. Take them and guan. Hey what? And all I know, all of you on my page now, go and watch the Mixup people. Them don't come. And don't get me wrong, if a Mixup do pull up on me like, I'm gonna pull for it. I am gonna pull for the Mixup that I like. Not the one where they bring down people. Not that one. And if I have nothing nice to say, if I have nothing constructive to say about that gossip, I don't want no hand in it. Prevention is better than cure. Leave me alone and go on. Wanna to bagger for big people. Wanna to mix up for big people. Big Sunday. Big Sunday. When she clean on the house, I wash on the plate, I cook on the people them dinner, among other things on all time a big mix up. And I just clean the pan one next channel. But I want to say make a find the one screenshot. Where your phone gone? Here the next one here. What I want to say what? Play this too. Play the one or two. Maybe they put a phone here. Don't follow him up. And whatever. Yes, girl, my family was ashamed of me. Yes, they was. My family was ashamed of me. Hello, PSA, public service announcement. My family was ashamed of my dirty behavior on here. Most of my family them stopped watch me because of the things I was. My family they stopped watching me because of the things I was out here doing. Yes, they did, and they was ashamed of me. I'm not afraid to tell you. Especially my mother was ashamed. The woman who gave birth to me was ashamed of me. She told me, "Son, what happened to you?